Welcome to this tutorial for how to clean data in Excel. This is part 1 of 2 tutorials. Excel software is slightly different in the Windows version versus the Mac version. This tutorial video covers both versions. The appearance of the worksheet may be slightly different under the 2 operating systems, but the worksheets will have essentially the same functionality. Where the instructions differ for Mac versus Windows, there will be a text box on the slide that applies only to Mac users. Before you start the project, be sure to update your version of Microsoft 365. For the project, Microsoft 365 Excel is required. For update instructions, search on the web for Excel 365 Update Windows or Excel 365 Update Mac. It's pretty quick to update, so take the time now to update. You need to use the Excel app installed on your computer for this project. Excel Online will not work for this project, nor will the Excel app on a phone, tablet, or other mobile device. After completing this case, you will be able to define ETL, describe why ETL is needed, and apply various tools and functions to clean data. ETL stands for Extract, Transform, and Load. The ETL process extracts, transforms, and loads data from multiple sources to a data warehouse or a single data source, where that data can be used in decision making. Data that is not cleaned prior to use will lead to faulty decisions. ETL is the foundation for data analysis. Now we're going to start the project. In this step, we will be opening the Excel file and widening the columns in it to fit the data. We are getting the file ready for use. Let's start by opening the Excel data file provided by your instructor. Next, we will widen all the columns to fit. Click the Select All button in the top left corner. Then double-click the boundary line between the column A and column B headings. Your cursor will appear as a crosshair. Each column has been widened to accommodate the column's text heading. In this step, we will be finding and removing all the duplicate records in the data. On the Data tab, click Remove Duplicates. Select All, then click OK. Mac users, the dialog box looks different but functions the same. A pop-up message will let you know how many duplicate values were found and removed. Click OK. In this step, we will be removing spaces and non-printing characters from the text. Look at the left side of column A. We see a variety of spacing before the transaction year. Sometimes there is a space, sometimes there is another character, sometimes there is no space. We need to standardize the fields so that when we summarize the data, the transaction years are grouped together. So we are going to remove those spaces and non-printing characters. The trim function removes leading and trailing spaces from text, and the clean function removes non-printing characters. We will use these functions to trim and clean the transaction year data from column A. Click in cell B2 and type equals, trim, left parenthesis, clean, left parenthesis, A2, right parenthesis, and hit enter. To copy the formula down to the rest of the column, double-click on the fill handle, the small square at the lower right corner of cell B2. Column B data has been trimmed and cleaned. In this step, we will be using Find and Replace. We will be replacing the word coffee with the word cola in column H. Select column H. On the Home tab, click Find and Select. In the drop-down menu, click Find. In the Find and Replace dialog box, click the Replace tab. Then type Coffee for Find What, and type Cola for Replace With. Finally, replace all. Mac users, at the top of the Find dialog box, type Coffee for Find What. Click Replace at the bottom of the dialog box and type Cola for Replace With. click Replace All. A pop-up message will let you know how many replacements were made. Click OK, then click Close. In this step, we will be changing a field to uppercase. Column N contains the warehouse states in many different capitalization conditions. We will use a function to change them all to uppercase. Click in cell O2 and type equals, upper, left parenthesis, N2, right parenthesis. Then hit Enter. Double-click the fill handle to copy the formula down the rest of the column. In this step, we will be formatting numbers as currency. Now we will format columns AE, AF, AG, AH, and AI in currency format. Select cells AE2 through AI2. Then hit Ctrl, Shift, plus down arrow on your keyboard to select all the rows. On the Home tab, click the Number Formatting drop-down icon. In the drop-down menu, click Currency. Now select cells AE2 through AH2. We are not including column AI at this time. And hit Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow to select all the rows. Then on the Home tab, click the decreased decimal icon twice. Now we have columns AE through AI formatted as currency. Give yourself a pat on the back. This part of the project is now done. I hope you have learned a lot about how to clean data with Excel. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz. Have a great day.